Today's presentation will be assembling an entire central office as a hobby, of course. And this room is approximately 12 by 18 or so. So we're going to have 3 frames over in the corner where you see the piece of angle iron leaning up against the wall. There'll be 2 23-inch racks and then a 36-inch Stromberg rack. And then out here, going left to right, as you can see the tape on the floor, will be the equipment switch frames for Stromberg XY and automatic electric step-by-step, which will be 2 frames. I have made videos of wiring and making the step-by-step functional prior to it being shipped to the new location. So this is going to be set up as a 9-foot tall environment with 7-foot tall self-supportive frames, or at least 2 of them. And then the rest of the stuff again will be 9-foot tall. And I will take shots of the progress as we assemble the system and make it functional. We have some of the overhead constructed and one of the first AE frames now standing upright in the new switch room. It needs to be positioned exactly where we're going to have it, within 2 or 3 inches of this, and then bolt it to the floor. Second of the AE frames that is set up. And then one of the 3 modules that we have to install, and the other 2 modules that has to go into the first frame. We've assembled the 3 relay racks, one for the Stromberg common equipment, and then 2 23-inch Telco style relay racks. And this is going to house various odds and ends of equipment. We have just completed the overhead cable rack. Everything is now attached to the overhead and also bolted to the floor. The next step will be installing the equipment in the frames. I have some of the cable rack already installed. And of course it's sitting on top of the auxiliary framing. And we still have quite a bit to put up. The Stromberg XY and then the 2 automatic electric frames. This concludes part 1 of this video.